One of my subscribers said I should do a tutorial on how to create just only Facebook playlists. So you go ahead and open up your Facebook. So there are two methods to use here, depending on the one you want. So I will show you both. Okay, you click on this profile icon down here, or you can just click on these three bar lines here at the top left hand corner. So what we're just trying to go to is the professional dashboard. Okay, so once we reach at the dashboard, you'll see the headings here which says analytics, content, community, monetization. So I will click on content. Okay, now here I will just close up this so that it won't distract us. We are going to see playlist here. Okay, you can click that, but also you have a plus icon at the top right hand corner here which you can click. You can see that says you should upload. So what we're going to do is to click on playlist. Okay, now in the playlist you can search, pick the existing one, but that's not what we want. We want to create a fresh playlist. Okay, I will click on this shaded plus icon at the top right hand corner. Okay, you can see say name your playlist. So I will name this test. Let's say test 1, and then I will click on save. You can see I have this playlist created here. So let's say you want to add any video to this playlist. You click on these three dots here. Okay, you can see you can edit it if you want. Maybe the name is not correctly spelled or the cover, you can edit it. But here I will just click on add to playlist. You can see, and I'll pick the video I want to add to that playlist. Okay, so that's method 1. So let's go out here and do method 2. So I'll go out and start all over again. For method 2, you have to upload the video alongside. So I'll click on this plus icon here and I will create a reels. Okay, so I'll pick the video I want here. Let's look for a video. Let's say this video here. Okay, I'll click on next. Okay, great. So once we get here, you have public, AI label and other stuff. So that's not what we're looking for. You come to add to playlist here and you click at this arrow here. Great. Okay, so when you get here, you can see the other playlist I created, which is test 1, but that's not what we're doing. We want to create a fresh one while we upload at the same time. So I'll click on this plus icon at the top right hand corner here. You can see say name your playlist. So I will just name it test 2 and I'll click on save. Okay, good. Then once you are done putting your location and every details you want on the video, then you click on share now. Immediately this video upload, scan it for copyright. We'll go back and check if this playlist was created and if the video was inside the playlist. Okay, so let us go back while it's still scanning. Let's find out if it's still there. So I will click on professional dashboard. Okay, then I will come to content here. Then I will scroll to playlist here. Good. Great. You can see test 2. If you open it, you can see this video has been uploaded directly. You can delete from there, reorder it, move to another profile, remove it. You can remove this video from this playlist. You can see that it's there. And also the first one I created, the first method you can see says add a reels to this playlist. So if you click here, you are going to add any of your video to this playlist. You can reorder them, change the cover if you want. But for PC, it is advisable for you to use the Meta Business Suite to create your playlist. Alright, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comments. I'll be more than willing to respond as fast as possible. Bye for now.